I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this very fun white full eyeshadow look. This is the first time, you guys, I'm trying this white eyeshadow. Like, I had this Pigments from Stars Cosmetics from a very long time, and so today finally I used it, and I wanted to create this white shadow look because I've never done that. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So for this look, I am again going to take my Nicka K New York palette with perfect 23 shades. So this, I actually use this palette because it has all the shades, all the colors which I need. So today I'm going to use white, this one. And first I'm going to apply this white as a base shadow, and then I'm going to go in with my Stars pigment. This is also a white shade. Well, I had this Pigments from such a long time and I haven't used it, and I don't know why, because I don't do heavy makeup on a daily basis. I usually do it for videos and I don't even go out somewhere. So I have this Pigments and I'm going to use it. So I have another one as well, but today I'm going to do white look because I haven't done white, never ever in my life. So let's get started.
Tell you, baby, I could never tell you no. I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me.
So now I'm going to take this eyeshadow. This is also a white shimmery color eyeshadow, and this is also from Stars Cosmetics. So I'm going to take that now, and again I'm going to apply it on my complete eyelid.
I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you.
And now finally I'm going to use this pigment. So this is very pigmented and it falls out everywhere, so I'm going to be very careful. So I am just going to take my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take some amount in the lid so that I don't mess up with this. So now I'm very lightly going to dab it over my eyelid. Ooh, that's crazy.
I could never tell you no. I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me. Look at me, I'll take you every photo.
Right now this white pigment is completely on my face. I don't know if it's showing on camera, but I can see that in the mirror, and it's all over my face.
Always tell that you were ride or die. Give you all the world, I spoil you 'cause you're mine.
So now I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm already loving this look so much, and I never did this, guys, so I'm very excited.
And you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me.
I literally wish I had white mascara. It would have looked bomb. So guys, I'll quickly do my left eye and I'll be right back. I'll show you the final result.
got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me. You back it up for me, a real home run. You in my dreams out in the weekends.
So guys, this was the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.